Yo. We're on our way up to the top of the mountain. We're back mountain biking after being away in New Jersey for 2 weeks. It's windy up here. Oh my gosh. Feels like winter. And it's like June 18th, like June 19th. It's adventure time. Let's go. We're on our way up. And it's still raining like crazy. My phone screen is getting all wet. If you look behind us, look at that rain coming in. It's really windy, dude. Dude, my phone screen's getting so wet from all the rain. We're gonna ride down here. Phone screen's getting soaked, dude. Holy. We're getting higher. Look at the views up here. We made it up to the top. It's really windy. Huh?
Let's right back to the car.
What, you just done for today?
No, let's just wait for this to look.
Okay. So straight back to the car then. It's really rainy up here. Really windy. Woo! Alright. Woohoo! We're finally back mountain biking. This is so cool. It's getting even windier as we crested over the mountain here. Holy crap, it's so windy. I can't even see out of my glasses. But we're almost back to the car. Don't forget to explode the like button, subscribe. We'll see you in another video.